Alrighty, this is Jake Valentine, your host, giving you some tips on how to use Pixlr.com in lieu of people not being able to spend $170 on Photoshop. Um, Pixlr is like Photoshop's anemic younger sibling. It does most of the same things, but it's just not as precise, and Photoshop has a way better variety of things you can do, but Pixlr gets the job done and it's free. So that's what we're going to be using. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 different images that we are going to use on Pixlr. So start by going to Google, and we can do an image search. For the images, I decided to do something really simple. We're going to take pictures of flowers and paste them onto one image, and I'm going to teach you how to do that, how to size, how to use the layer feature, and how to edit, copy, and paste from one image to another. So let's start by first looking for pictures of flowers. Okay, so we're going to go to images. So let's start with this picture. To save this picture, you're going to right click, go to Save Image As, and then this window will pop up. And wherever you want this picture of your flowers to be saved, whether it be on your desktop or in a specific folder, does not matter. For me, I'm just going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to name it Flower 1. Once you've typed in the name, hit Save, and it'll magically appear on your desktop. So I'm going to do this 3 more times with 2 different images. Let's go with this one. Same steps, Save Image As. This will be flower number 2, save, and then this one will be flower number 3, save image as, and then name it flower 3. Okay, so now we're going to open up Pixlr. Pixlr is the paint program that we will be using for this game. So when you open up Pixlr, this is the screen that you'll see. In order to get it to work, it's actually kind of deceiving. You have to scroll down until this screen pops up. And what you're going to do is go to Pixlr Editor and click Launch Web App. And before we open up the 3 flower pictures we downloaded, we're going to first create a new image. So for that, you're going to click Create a New Image. And then this little image box will pop up, and it has preset so that your image is 800 by 600. So that's fine. We're going to use that setting. And you need to click this box where it says transparent. Click and then hit OK. So then you have a blank canvas to work with on the screen. So now we're going to open up the 3 flower images that we saved to our computer. To do that, you go to File, Open Image, and then you're going to go to we'll start with flower 1. And then we'll do the same steps again to open the other ones. File, Open Image, Flower 2. File, Open Image, Flower 3. Okay, now from here we're going to copy and paste these 3 flower images and have them pasted onto the blank image provided right here. So we're going to start with flower number 1. To get this picture, to get onto this blank image, you first need to go to Edit, Select All, and then you're going to go back to Edit again. You're going to hit Edit, and this time you're going to cut it. If you did it right, the picture will be cut out and it's gone now. So now we're going to paste it onto the blank image in the back. So make sure you have it opened. Go to Edit and hit Paste. Now notice when I pasted this picture onto the blank image, on the right, and now it says Layer 1. Layer 1 is how you will tamper with this image. So with Layer 1 open, I can do anything. I can move the flower wherever I want it. I can erase it. Anything I want. But if, say, I had Layer 0 open and I tried to move the flower, nothing happens because we're not on that layer. So let's go back to Layer 1, move it over here. That's where we want it pasted. So now we're going to do the same steps to copy and paste image or the flower number 2 and flower number 3. So for flower 2, again, you hit Edit, Select All, Edit again, Cut, go back to this image, hit edit, paste. And now, again, notice on the right that it says layer 2 for flower number 2. And again, we're on layer 2, so I can move this flower wherever we want. Note that because we're on layer 2, I can't move the purple flower. See, it only moves the other flower because we're not on layer 1. If I move to layer 1, I can move this purple thing wherever the heck I want, wherever I want it to go. Okay, so now we're going to do the last image. Same steps again. Edit, select all, edit, cut, go back to this image, edit, and paste. And now we're on layer 3. And again, we can move them wherever. I can move this flower wherever the hell I want it to move because I'm on that layer. So this is the first tutorial I'm going to do. Before we wrap it up, I'm going to do one other thing, and that's going to be sizing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all these layers and make them disappear by clicking the box on the right. See, now we're left with a blank screen all over again. So if you wanted to change the size of this image, what you need to do is go up to where it says Image, click Image Size, pretty self-explanatory, and I always use constrained proportions. It's always best to do that because if you change the width and the length of an image, it makes it look malproportioned and stupid. So it's always best to have constraint proportions clicked. So let's say you wanted to make it smaller. Let's do 400 by, or actually let's go bigger. Let's do 2000 by 1500. You hit OK. Note right here that the image size has changed. And so has the image of the flowers. See how big the flower is now? It is ginormous. And there you have it. My next tutorial, I'm going to do an example of a puzzle and how you would put the puzzle together using Pixlr. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.